Welcome back to Angie's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change profile photo on Meta Business Suite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, click on the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to change your profile photo on Meta Business Suite, you'll typically need to update your profile picture on the associated Facebook page, since Meta Business Suite is primarily used for managing Facebook and Instagram content. That means you need to log into your Facebook account that manages the Facebook page you want to update and navigate to the settings. Of course, from here on the lower left corner of your dashboard, click on the Meta Business Suite, right? And from here, you will be directed to another page wherein, now once you are here, as you can see, you're going to be having an option to set that says edit Facebook page or connect to Instagram. The selection might be different if you're using your mobile device when you hover to the Meta Business Suite. But right now, all I have to do is click on the edit Facebook page. And as you can see, all I have to do is click on the profile picture, the pencil icon. And from here, I can choose the photo for my profile page, or I also have the option to upload a photo. I can select or upload a photo. It's a very straightforward and easy process, because after selecting the new photo, you can adjust the position. Let me do that again for you. Now right here, as you can see, you can basically adjust the position, the size if necessary, and once you're satisfied with how it looks, just click to update your profile picture. All right, and please be mindful that your profile picture is public. All right, so there's no option for you to make it like private or selected to your friends, because it's basically a Facebook page. But the thing is, you can put a description at the top here, right? Something like, maybe we can add a little bit of more information. And once we're happy with that, all we have to do is simply click on save, right? Now, it may take a few minutes for the new profile picture to appear across Facebook and associated platforms like Meta Business Suite. In the event that you're having problems changing your profile photo here on Facebook page, you might want to go here instead. This is basically the Meta Business Help Center, wherein you can get help, support, and troubleshooting steps if there's a problem changing your profile photo on your account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.